So from last 4 to 5 years I am using different Birkenstocks, but today I am going to show you how you can clean your Birkenstock with a simple trick. So simply buy a stationery item, that is a eraser. So this usually comes in two sizes, a medium and large. So buy a large one, so that will be easy. So this eraser, what it will do, it will remove your dust particles and your dirt, and it will bind the dust particle into a small, I mean to say, residue that will leave after you rub this rubber on the pad, on the outer shelf or on the sole. So right now you can see we removed it and now we are rubbing it. So clearly in this video you can see there is a black spot or black metal residue due to the buckle strap. Okay, if we can do all from anywhere to anywhere, you can do whatever you want to do with this rubber. So that's how we can clean. So it's very simple. I used a used rubber, so that rubber I used previously also. So that's the thing you can do, that it cannot damage, it will not do any harm to your Birkenstock, and it will make it cleaner. So the dust particles and the dirt and the different, I mean to say, black things which occurs for after long term use, so that will remove clearly. The main thing, the dust particle and the dirtiness will remove after the first use, and it is very easy. So you can do it in almost 5 to 10 minutes and only 5 to 10 rupees, or you can say from where you are watching this video, so it will very cheap. So you can use it and make it, I mean to say, let us know that it is helpful for you or not. So that's the thing. You can rub it on the sole, everywhere you can rub it, and the result will blow your mind, that it is very cheap and thing, but the process is very unique. So you can see the rubber, it's very dirty, the rubber particles, that I mean to say, you can clearly say it's very dirty. So it binds with the dust particles and the dirtiness. So that's very unique, and I find this nothing else. I made it this type of experiments on my own, because I always wanted to care about my sleepers, my shoes and everywhere. So you can clearly see it's a win-win situation. So please try it home and let me know that what the result you are getting after using this rubber method. So that's for today, and we will meet in the next video.